Hello everyone, welcome back to Orion Kids TV with another fantastic video. Today we are going to be making bookmarks. Okay, so you'll need one glue stick, one pair of scissors, and you'll need any types of paper of your choice and choose any types of color pencils. Okay, so I have my green sheet, and now the only thing you have to do so far is that you have to take one end and turn it into a triangle. Then you have to bring this part to the top and then repeat it with the other one. Okay, so then you have to open it back up, and then there'll be two square flaps, and you have to bring the first one all the way down. And then after you did that, you have to take this part and then you have to just put it inside this part, and then do it with the other one. And then it's done. So afterwards, decorations. Okay, so I just finished cutting out the long tongue, the two eyes, and the ears. Now let's paste them. Just finished pasting everything, and now we're finished. So I just finished making it, and I just made a few more, like a fox, a ladybug, and a shark, and a chicken, and a soldier, and a little cute one. So maybe you can try some of these at your home or house. So I just finished putting them inside, and they look awesome. Please, thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet next time, bye and have a lovely day.